Hello to all of you. I want to welcome you to this new course that you are doing where you will become translators. I am Yvonne and I am your teacher for Grammar 1. We have English grammar deals with all the structures that you need to be able to understand what you're reading and translate it into Spanish efficiently. Remember that English has a certain way of the words have to go in a certain way. All this will serve as the base for your subject, which is the written English, and it will help you recognize the differences between written Spanish and English. Everything you learn now and in the next semester where we have Grammar 2 will help you translate from English to Spanish and vice versa. The subject is divided into different units. On the platform you have the syllabus that we will be using throughout the semester, and so you can follow the subjects as we go along. At the end of the syllabus you also have all the bibliography that I used. You don't need to have or buy any special book, a grammar book. In the library, in the virtual library that you have in the course, there is a book called Advanced Grammar in Use by Martin Hewings, which has a lot of exercises and it has the answers also. So if you feel that you need a bit more more practice, you can use that book and you can correct them by yourselves. In both modules in Grammar 1 you have the units that deal with basic English grammar. These will be necessary and try and study them as well as you can, because in Grammar 2 you have structures that are a bit more complicated, and in the third year you have estructuras comparadas, and here you will need your English grammar a lot. For now there is nothing more that I have to say. I hope we will be in touch as much as we can. If you have any doubts at all, write to me, write a message to me on the platform, and I will answer it, and I will try and give you all the answers, all the correct answers I can. Okay, for now then, that is all, and I wish you all the best in all your subjects, and remember that translating is a fascinating job. Goodbye to all.